This vessel goes to from here to Colombo, from Colombo to Cochin, Cochin to Jablali.
Which one?
This vessel, this
Are
service.
there names for these?
Celsius Endeavour.
So like how many vessels?
They are depending upon this service has 3 vessels. Similarly, that vessel has 4 vessels service.
It goes to Colombo?
Yeah, Colombo, Cochin, Jablali, then back to same.
Okay.
Do third country vessels or something like that also happen? Like, for example, if it's coming from say Bangladesh and it has to go to Colombo, nothing like that happens.
Nothing. As of now, as a Bangladesh, we don't have any service here.
Okay. So mainly, which country the vessels are coming?
Most of them are China.
China.
But how China?
This service is China vessel. Because China CI3 we have China India service 3, China India service 5, China India service 7, and this vessel.
So the company is owned by China. But
Most
what
of
are the
the vessels,
countries?
no, countries are from China only the vessels are coming.
Which route do they follow?
They come from China to Chicago. From Chicago to they come to Portland, Singapore. From that transshipment will come here. Main vessel only, main line only.
And exports, where do you?
Exports, majority of exports are only empties for China. Only little only are load. Little load maybe only the chilies which are here, they are going for load containers.
See the moment of
You can see that one lifting at a time. That container, UC8.
Much faster.
What is the weight?
Weight, we can lift up to 60 ton.
Okay. 260 tons.
So infrastructure wise, do you think something is lacking, like which might be slowing down the process?
No, as early Jimon has said, no, the vessels which are bunching, no, that is a major concern for us. As last week had from Monday to Wednesday we had no vessels. We are idle. But whatever suddenly they are bunching. I used to prepare the berthing for every vessel. I see the next 4 days I am not able to give one berth also. All are coming at a time.
So who handles this? Like who is
All-
from where?
No, most of the thing is conjunction from China only. All vessels what we are handling are coming from China only.
So is there no authority taking care of this, that with the time management of these vessels to be entering this?
They are also trying but not able to cope up.